When grilling season comes around, I'm always the first one to get everyone together for an afternoon party here. So I like to know that I'm always prepared. Of course, a big part of being prepared, perhaps the most important part, is getting together all the tools that you need. Until now, that has not been easy because each tool has come individually. With the Roxon 5-in-1 BBQ tool, though, everything is about to change. The Roxon 5-in-1 BBQ Tool is a multi-purpose utensil that consists of a set of tongs, a fork, a spatula, a sharp knife, and a bottle opener. Now, when you store your barbecue away for the winter, you only need to store one tool, not 5. Made from stainless steel with glass fiber handles and weighing just 526.6 kilograms, this is an efficient, stylish tool perfect for any and all grill masters. We're looking to raise some startup capital to manufacture, market, and distribute the Roxon 5-in-1 tool. This is where you come in. Every pound helps, and you can read about our contributor rewards below. We appreciate your generous support. See you this summer!